So next, coming to the healthcare facilities. Under healthcare facilities, what and all it should be included? Not only the hospitals, primary healthcare center, that is first aid, and laboratories, ambulance. In primary healthcare centers, normal fever, cold, cough, and small diseases will be cured, will be treated. So laboratories for testing the viruses or the bacteria which we are suffering from, and the ambulance for the transport facilities of the deceased person, blood banks, and qualified doctors, nurses, medical equipments, instruments which are to be needed for the operation, then medicines, etc. These are the facilities helps diagnose to test the physical problems of the patients and cure their illness. So students, what they generally say is healthcare facilities that's nothing but having the construction of a or building of a any one structure of a which will be displayed as a hospital by displaying the board hospital. It should include proper facilities. In that, what and all it should include primary healthcare centers should has to be provided. Along with that, laboratories, ambulances, blood banks, qualified doctors, nurses, medical equipment, medicines. These facilities all together we call it as a proper healthcare facilities. If doesn't have all these facilities, you cannot call it as a healthcare facilities. Okay, though they provide healthcare, though providing healthcare is the main responsibility of the government in today's given, a government cannot provide all the time the healthcare. Even the private people has to join along with the hands with the correct. So there are private hospitals also to take care of the people. So thus we have two types of healthcare in India. One is public and the private. Public will be maintained and managed by the government, and the private will be maintained by the any individual or the big companies. Now we coming to the public healthcare. Okay. So dear students, as we have two types of healthcare, one is public and the other one is private. So under the private healthcare, dear students, it consists of vast network connection of government health centers and the construction of these centers along with the medicines equipment provided with the money. That means whatever the amount will be collected as a tax in the form of tax from the public, it will be utilized for providing the facilities to the public. So in that, when they have to provide the healthcare facilities as a government, they utilize this tax amount in order to construction of what? Construction of hospitals, the buildings, and also construction of building is not enough. Along with that, they do require what? Medicines and the equipments and the appointment of the doctors, nurses, and the ambulances, blood banks, everything, including laboratories. Okay. So is how this healthcare, public healthcare is going to be operated or worked. So the structure of the public healthcare varies from the rural and the urban. That is, it is different from rural areas and the urban areas, the working of the hospitals. So in villages, how it is going to be operated or worked, the health centers are run with the help of the nurses and with the village health workers or the self-employers or the self uh, workers is going to be initiated, will be interested in caring the village people under the supervision of primary health centers. So there will be a small healthcare centers like clinic, and there the nurses will be there. With the guidance of the nurses, it will be treated what the diseases of the people is going to be treated, and the people are trained in dealing with the common illness, daily common cold, cough, flu, that will be treated. After the primary healthcare centers comes the district level. So district level hospitals. So they supervise the functions of the rural health care center. These primary health centers, what do we have? The small health centers. It will be guided under the guidance of whom it will be worked under the district hospital head members. So the large government hospitals are found in where? In the cities or the urban areas. In villages, it will be only small hospitals. If they want to get treatment for the bigger diseases or the diseases, they have to travel to the urban areas. So these hospitals will be equipped with the advanced diagnostic facilities. That means they will be having the fully fledged modern techniques and the equipments to treat the diseases. That's why they come from village area to the urban areas in order to get cured their diseases, because the large number of trained staffs will be provided. That is, doctors will be having 24/7 in the urban areas, and the nurses. So this is all about the public health care facilities. Okay, dear students, next we'll continue with the private healthcare facilities or how it is going to be worked. Please do watch the video. Thank you.